Stinky smoke odors got you down? Try this ultra-concentrated oil-based air freshener spray. I'm Caitlin, and today I'll be showing you how I make it. Like this video if you're excited to get started, and let's begin! This formula is a simple combination of diethyl phthalate, otherwise known as DEP, and fragrance oil of your choice. DEP is a great solvent for oil-based air freshener sprays because it effectively carries the fragrance molecules through the space being scented. Aside from the DEP, you'll want to select a quality fragrance that will really help your spray stand out from the others. With that in mind, I'm using our Ocean Fresh fragrance for this DIY. It's super fresh and perfect for masking icky smoke odors. All we need now is to combine the two. Simply pour your pre-measured fragrance in with the DEP and use the glass stirring rod to thoroughly mix the two together. Let's package it up now. I'm using a simple spray bottle that will make it easy to spritz this product. And just like that, we're done. Just remember that this is oil-based, so you'll want to avoid spraying it on plastic and fabric surfaces that may become damaged or stained. Other than that, you're good to go. A bottle of this spray costs us less than $1 to produce, meaning it can be sold wholesale for around $1 or $2 and retail up to $8 depending on the fragrance and additives you use. As always, thank you so much for joining us here in the AFI DIY Lab. If there's anything you want to see us make next, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Oh, and be sure to tag us on your socials if you do try this spray out yourself. I'm Caitlin, and we'll see you again in the next one. Bye!